Welcome back to Apple Insider, everyone. Today, we're diving into a device that's taking the smartphone world by storm in 2026, the Infinix GT. Now, if you haven't heard of Infinix yet, you might want to start paying attention because their latest flagship is making waves with some game-changing features. So, let's break down what makes the Infinix GT 2026 a device you'll definitely want to keep on your radar this year. First up, the design. The Infinix GT sports a futuristic aesthetic with a nearly bezel-less OLED display that's not just stunning but also incredibly responsive. The edges are rounded, the back glass is glossy with a striking gradient finish, and it just feels premium in the hand. The matte texture on the back also helps reduce fingerprints, which is a nice touch for a phone this eye-catching. Now, let's talk about the display. Infinix has really outdone themselves here. It's a 6.8-inch, 4K AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering true-to-life colors and deep blacks. Whether you're watching high-res content or just scrolling through social media, the visuals are incredibly sharp and immersive. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the Infinix GT packs the latest ARM Cortex-X3 chipset. We're talking top-tier processing power for everything from gaming to multitasking. Pair that with 16GB of RAM and a massive 512GB storage option, and you have a device that won't break a sweat no matter how demanding your apps are. The performance on this phone is absolutely next level. Speaking of gaming, this phone is a beast. The Infinix GT comes with an advanced AI cooling system that keeps the temperature in check, even during extended gaming sessions. We tried out some of the latest mobile games, and the phone handled them flawlessly, no lag, no stutter, just smooth gameplay. Now, let's talk about cameras. The Infinix GT is equipped with a 200 megapixels primary sensor, paired with ultra-wide, telephoto, and depth sensors. This setup allows you to capture incredible detail in both daylight and low light. Whether you're snapping photos or shooting video, the AI-assisted processing ensures each shot is optimized with stunning clarity. Take a look at these samples. From vibrant landscapes to intricate close-ups, the Infinix GT is delivering some of the sharpest, most accurate images we've seen in this price range. And when it comes to video, it supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second, so you're set for both pro-level videography and casual moments. Now, you're probably wondering about battery life. The Infinix GT houses a 5000 mAh battery, and thanks to the efficiency of the chipset and display, it easily lasts through a full day of use, even with heavy gaming or content consumption. And when you need to juice up, the 120W fast charging can get you to 50% in just 10 minutes. That's impressive, to say the least. On the software side, the Infinix GT runs on Android 13 with a custom UI that's light, intuitive, and packed with features. There's also a ton of customization options, from themes to widgets, making it easy to tailor the experience to your liking. Plus, the device is 5G ready, so you'll be future-proof for high-speed connectivity. So, there you have it, the Infinix GT 2026. With cutting-edge specs, stunning design, and an immersive user experience, it's shaping up to be one of the standout devices of the year. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply someone who loves a powerful phone with all the bells and whistles, the Infinix GT delivers. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know what you think about the Infinix GT in the comments below. Is this the future of smartphones, or does it still have some room to grow? I'll catch you in the next one.